Yeah, thanks, Pete. It's exciting when they sound the same, even though my strumming's changed. Well, that's the goal with straight eighth notes.
Loog Nation!
Welcome to Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And today is all about straight eighth notes. And maybe you already saw the episode on rock eighth notes. And if you haven't, you could check it out here, or I'll also leave a link in the description. And if you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, become a part of the Loog Nation community. That's a great question, Beat. I love all your curious and specific questions. Keep asking those so you can help our Loog Nation community learn the Loog. Okay. So, Beat was wondering, if we already know how to play rock eighth notes, then why are we learning how to play straight eighth notes? Well, as a future guitarist, I'm sure you want to learn a bunch of songs. And being able to play different styles and vibes takes learning different strumming patterns. So you can play any genre of music you want. Sometimes you want a rock feel. And sometimes you want a straight eighth feel. Each song has its own feel and style, and that's what separates them from other songs. And straight eighth notes are one way of making that feel or style come alive. Plus, straight eighth notes are really important to learn now before we get into more complicated strumming patterns later. Just like rock eighth notes, straight eighth notes also count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Musicians count to 8 like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We play straight eighth notes by strumming down up. Let's try that right now. Grab your Loog and we're gonna just strum down up. Ready? Here we go. Down up, 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 and stop. Well, thanks, Beat. Beat's pointing out how even I'm strumming both down and up. And that is the goal when you're strumming straight eighth notes. Those are some examples of what not to do. Get out your copy of Learn the Loog Level 1 and turn to the page that looks like this. It says straight eighth notes at the top. This book is an awesome way to learn how to play the Loog along with these YouTube videos, and your purchase of this book helps us make more videos like this one for the channel. So thank you in advance for your purchase and your 5-star rating. Okay, now that we're feeling comfortable with straight eighth notes, let's do a play along session. I'm going to strum and count. Beat is going to bounce on the strums so that you can keep in tempo with us as you are playing straight eighth notes with us. Ready? I'll count off to 4, and then we'll lead in and play together. Cool. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 stop. Great, how'd that go? We did 4 bars of straight eighth notes. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 4 times. Feeling good? Oh, Beat wants to go faster. You want to go faster? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 stop. Nice. Are you keeping up? Even strums? Cool. Faster? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 stop. That was really fun. Great job. Challenge of the day. Can you play rock eighth notes and switch to straight eighth notes? All right, here's what's going to happen. We're going to start with rock eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and immediately change into straight eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then back to rock eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and one more time you're playing those straight eighth notes. Challenge of the day accepted. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 stop. Let's go faster. All right, here we go. I'll count off and we'll join in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 stop. Oh yeah, now we're deep in the challenge. Let's go even faster.
Even faster. Even faster.
Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and stop. Woo, that was good. How did you do? How did you do? We did great. Thank you, Beat, for all your help. Yes, that was a great lesson. Thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in and playing along with us. Work on your straight eighth notes, your even strumming, and come back to this video and do the rock eighth note, straight eighth note challenge as many times as you want. Getting better at strumming is going to make you a better player down the road. This is why we start with strumming and we get into more complicated things later. So stay tuned for more, okay? Say goodbye, Beat. That's right, Beat. If you're ready right now to play a song, click on this link right here and play 10 songs with only 2 chords. And we'll see you every Thursday, okay? 4 and stop. Wait. Was that right? 1 and 2 and... Oh no, Mr. Will messed up.